Jai Hind students, welcome to Anjana's class. Students, today we are going to deal with the multiple choice questions based on lesson Law Spring part 2. The part 2 is based on the story of a bangle maker family, and this bangle maker family is from Firozabad, and the story is written by famous writer Anish Jung, and this is from class 12th English book Flamingo. So students, let's begin with the multiple choice questions from lesson 2 Law Spring. Students, question number 36. We have already done 35 questions from the part 1, and this is the 36th question. What is Firozabad famous for? Firozabad किस लिए प्रसिद्ध है? A for bangles, B for clothes, C sandals, D electronics. Answer A for bangles. Question number 37. Which is the center of India's glass blowing industry? A Firozpur, B Aurangabad, C Faridabad, D Firozabad. And the correct answer is Firozabad. Question number 38. Find the word which means false appearance. झूठी पहचान का अर्थ इसमें शब्द बताइए कि किस शब्द का मतलब है. A looms, B furnace, C mirage, D welding. And the correct answer is C mirage, यानी मृग तृष्णा. 39. Find the word which means here. A amidst, B furnace, C mirage, D insist. And the correct answer is B furnace, यानी भट्टी. Question number 40. What is illegal for children? बच्चों के लिए गैर कानूनी क्या है? A to be a motor mechanic, B to have a dream, C to work in the glass furnaces, D all of the above. And the correct answer is C glass, कांच की भट्टियों में काम करना. Question number 41. Where do most of the children in Firozabad work? फिरोजाबाद में ज़्यादातर बच्चे कहाँ काम करते हैं? A in a factory, B in glass industry, C at tea stall, D as rag pickers. And the correct answer is B in glass industry, कांच के उद्योग. Question number 42. What is the condition of the lanes in Mukesh's colony? मुकेश की जो कॉलोनी है उसकी गलियों की क्या हालत है? A stinking, B choked with garbage, C both A and B, D beautiful and clean. And the correct answer is C. मतलब ये है कि वो नालियाँ A stinking, वो बदबू मार रही हैं, B choked यानी कचरे से वो बंद है. Both answer A and B. Question number 43. How many children work in glass industry? A 10,000, B 20,000, C 25,000, D 15,000. And the correct answer is B 20. Question number 44. Find the word which means dark and dirty. आप वो शब्द इसमें से ढूंढिए जिसका अर्थ है dark and dirty. A beam, C B hovels, D dingy, D slog, C dingy, and D slog. And the correct answer is C. Question number 45. Find the word which means toil. Toil का क्या अर्थ है? A furnaces, B dingy, C beam, D slog. And the correct answer is D slog. Question number 46. Where does Mukesh's family work? मुकेश का परिवार कहाँ काम करता है? A in a school, B in a club, C on a farm, D in a bangle factory. And the correct answer is D. Question number 47. What does the writer say about the street in which Mukesh's house is situated? लेखक उन गलियों के बारे में क्या कहता है जहाँ पर मुकेश का परिवार रहता है? A a fine street, B a wide street, C a street with civic amenities, D stinking lane choked with garbage. स्टूडेंट्स, हम इस क्वेश्चन को दूसरी तरह से भी पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, सो हमको आंसर पता है. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज D a stinking lane choked with garbage. Question number 48. In what kind of house does Mukesh live? मुकेश किस तरह के मकान में रहता है? इन अ बिग हाउस, बी इन अ बंगलो, सी इन अ हाफ बिल्ट रफ yet, डी इन अ फ्लैट. And the correct answer is C. Question number 49. What art has the elder taught his two sons? जो बड़ा आदमी था उसने अपने दोनों लड़कों को क्या सिखाया? A. The art of making bangles. B. The art of renovating a house. C. The art of sewing clothes. D. The art of teaching children. And the correct answer is A. Question number 50. Find the word which means poor. आपको उस शब्द को ढूंढना है जिससे आशय है पुअर यानी गरीब. A. custom. B. renovate. C. wail. D. impoverished. And the correct answer is D. Question number 51. Who is Savita? Savita कौन है? A. married woman. B. an elderly woman. C. a young girl. D. a lovely bride. And the correct answer is C. a young girl. Question number 52. What sanctity attached to bangles? A. They are made of pure glass. B. They symbolize an Indian woman's suhag. C. They are worn by all girls and all women. D. They are worn on all the auspicious occasions. And the correct answer is B. ये महिलाओं के सुहाग का प्रतीक है. Question number 53. What job is Savita doing? सविता क्या काम कर रही है? A. She is soldering pieces of glass. वो कांच के टुकड़ों को जोड़ रही है. B. She is draping a bride with a red veil. C. She is dyeing the hands of a girl red. D. She is rolling bangles on the wrist of an old woman. And the correct answer is A. What do the bangles symbolize in Indian culture? भारतीय संस्कृति में चूड़ियों का क्या महत्व है या चूड़ियाँ किसकी प्रतीक है? A. सुहाग. B. chastity. C. corruption. D. farming. And the correct answer is A. सुहाग. Question number 55. Find the word which means dull. A. light. B. drab. C. sanctity. D. draped. And the correct answer is B. drab. Question number 56. Find the word which means colored. A. dyed. B. drab. C. drained. D. reaped. And the correct answer is A. dyed. Question number 57. Find the word in the passage which means holiness. आपको पैराग्राफ में से वो शब्द ढूंढना है जिसका अर्थ है पवित्रता. A. tongs. B. well. C. sanctity. D. died. And the correct answer is C. sanctity. Question number 58. What forces conspire to keep the workers in Bengal industry of Firozabad? फिरोज़ाबाद में के कांच उद्योग में या चूड़ी उद्योग में कौन लोग उन मजदूरों को वहीं पर काम करने के लिए षड्यंत्र रचते हैं? A. साहूकार्स एंड मिडिलमैन. B. policemen. C. bureaucrats and politician. D. all of the above. And the correct answer is D. Question number 59. Find the word which means blemish or disgrace. A. vicious. B. baggage. C. distinct. D. stigma. And the correct answer is D. stigma. Question number 60. Find the word which means evil. आप वो शब्द ढूंढिए जिसका अर्थ है बुराई. A. vicious. B. imposed. C. cheered. D. cast. And the correct answer is A. Question number 61. What does Mukesh want to become? मुकेश क्या बनना चाहता है? A. doctor. B. a motor mechanic. C. a teacher. D. a writer. And the correct answer is B. a motor mechanic. Question number 62. Find the word which means burden. आपको वह शब्द ढूंढना है जिसका अर्थ है बोझ. A. vicious. B. baggage. C. law. D. distinct. And the correct answer is B. baggage. Question number 63. What does the writer try to depict the in the lesson Lost Spring. Lost Spring जो लेसन है उसमें लेखक क्या कहना चाहता है या क्या कहना चाहती हैं? A. Lost adolescence, B. Lost childhood, C. Lost freedom, D. Lost spring season. And the correct answer is B. Lost childhood, खोया बचपन. Question number 64. What is the probable reason for children remaining barefoot? बच्चे जो बगैर जूते चप्पल के थे उसकी वजह क्या हो सकती है? A. Lack of money, B. Tradition to remain barefoot, C. Physical illness, D. Perpetual state of poverty. And the correct answer is D. गरीबी की अवस्था. Question number 65. Mukesh's dream looks like a blank space amidst the dust of streets that fills his town Firozabad. And the correct options are A. Wonder, B. Mirage, C. Reality, D. None. And the correct answer is B. Mirage यानी मृगतृष्णा. Question number 66. This story is an excerpt from which book of the author? ये लेखिका की किस किताब का हिस्सा है? A. Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood, B. Spring Tales, C. Silent Spring, D. None. And the correct answer is A. Lost Spring, Stories of Stolen Childhood. Question number 67. Mukesh want to learn to become a motor mechanic by? मुकेश मोटर मैकेनिक बनना सीखना चाहता है. A. Finding a tutor, B. Going to garage to learn, C. By reading books, D. None. And the correct answer is B. garage में जाकर सीखना चाहता है. Question number 68. What bothers of author most about the Bengal makers? What bothers the author most about the Bengal makers? A. The stigma of poverty and caste, B. The affluence of the landlord, C. The behavior of the factory owners, D. The labor laws. And the correct answer is A. The stigma of poverty and caste. Question number 69. What is the central theme of the story Lost Spring? Lost Spring का जो केंद्रीय भाव है वह क्या है? A. Pitiable poor children and their lost childhood, B. Garbage, C. Sahib and Mukesh, D. Spring season. And the correct answer is A. गरीब बच्चों की कहानी और उनके खोए हुए बचपन की कहानियाँ. And the last question, that is question number 70. Firozabad is the center of which industry? फिरोजाबाद किस उद्योग का केंद्र है? A. Cotton industry, B. Furniture industry, C. Textile industry, D. Glass blowing industry. And the correct answer is D. Glass blowing industry. So we have done 70 questions from this lesson, which is Lost Spring, part 1 and part 2. So read one more time and note down these questions in your notebook. Thank you very much.